Hello, welcome to PDJ Vibro. Today we have this used EVP-RA 100 straight off the lorry. It's been taken in part exchange from a long-term customer. They've upgraded to a larger machine. As such, they've looked after it, and so the lining is in excellent condition. Still got 20 mil of that on the cast polyurethane. You've got the unload system, so it's got the half rise with the flap coming to meet at the end of process, operated by the handle, and that will allow the mass to go over, separating the parts from the media. It's available with the acoustic cover, and it can be taken in as-is condition, run and checked, or it can be taken as fully stripped down and rebuilt, subject to the budget of the customer. So it's a great unit. It's not easy to find one of these. If you are interested in it, then do give us a call, talk to our experts today. We can talk you through it. Better still, come in and see it firsthand. You're very welcome to do that, or at least send in samples should you wish. We can run through the whole process top to bottom and make sure it's the right machine for your application. So to learn more, then do give us a call today. We would love to help.